WIX versus Shopify 2024, which is the better e-commerce builder? Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you guys which one is the better e-commerce builder. Is it WIX or is it Shopify? So at first let's start with WIX. If you search WIX on Google, it will bring you to this page where it says wix.com website builder. Create a free website today. And if I head over to Shopify, you see at the top it says making commerce better for everyone. Right off the bat, as you can tell just from looking through the website, that this is a website builder and Shopify is for commerce based only. So now if I head over to the actual things, as you can see that they give you a website for free, and then they have all of these templates that you can choose from, and then one dashboard for all your business needs. As you can see, they also give you free hosting and storage for 500 megabytes of storage and 1 gigabyte of bandwidth, and you also get a free Wix domain, and then you get access to hundreds of apps, as you can see right over here. And then they also give a full mobile experience and support wherever you need it. So let's head over and create a new account to see how the process looks. So at first we're going to click on continue with Google and then log in with a brand new account to see how the process would look for you. So we're going to do that very quickly. Let it load. There you go. So who are you creating a website for? Since we are doing it for e-commerce, we're going to say for myself, which is my business. So we're going to click on continue. After that, what it's going to do is, okay, it provides us with AI. So you could either start a chat so that you can do more personalized tool and then image and text, or you could just go to basic setup. We're going to click on the basic setup. So what type of website do you want? So we want an online store. And then since it's e-commerce, as you can see, there's a bunch of to choose from. Let's say the e-commerce that you own, it's accessories. So we're going to click on accessories right over here and then click on continue. Now it says preparing your dashboard. All right, we wait for that to happen really quickly. As you can see, the dashboard has already started and loaded up, and there we go. It says update your store type. We did. So it needs to give a store. Let's say we name it ecom build. Continue. And then let's say no, I'm just starting out. Continue. And then what kind of products? Let's say we are drop shipping products. So I'm going to click on that one, click on continue, and then it's an online store. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say, continue. But make sure you choose according to your own needs. And then we're going to click on continue to dashboard right over here. So now let it load for some time. Now we need to connect to a custom domain. So you're going to do that, and then you see that they have like set up payment methods, add your first product, set up shipping and delivery, create an invoice, design your website, sell everything. So as you can see, they give you basically everything. So right off the bat, I can tell that this is very user friendly. And then we have communications, inbox, forms and submissions, which is nice. And then if I head over to automations, if I check it, as you can see, they have like all these automations like engage, customize, automized email, campaigns and everything like that. We also have SEO, which is nice, email marketing, Facebook ads, that is good. We have analytics. Let's head over to analytics really quickly and let's see what that looks like. Okay, so this one is traffic overview since we have nothing right now, and then we have real time, which would also provide basically nothing. So visitors in the last 30 minutes, you can check that. And then page views, traffic source, and then what devices they were on. And then sales overview, which would tell you the top selling items, which is nice, top paying customers. And then sales by billing, that's nice. As you can see, everything that you can find over here, and then billings and payments. Now, let's head over to Shopify and let's see. We click on start free trial, and let's say I'm just starting, and then click on next, and then we want an online store, so we click on next, and then it's say drop shipping, then we click on next, and then next one more time. Now right off the bat, as you can tell, that Wix is free and Shopify is giving you a free trial for only 3 days. So if you're short on budget, Wix is the better option. But if you have money to spend, I would definitely say that you go with Shopify. So now we just check other options to see how good they are. So now it's gonna load our dashboard really quickly. So let's do that. There we go. Once it's loaded up, it's gonna show us something like this, which is a setup guide, which is add your first product, you can add it, and then find products to sell, add sharing details, customize your online store, name your store. You can see they also have all of these setup guides, and then we head over to orders. As you can see that all of the orders we show here, and you can see total orders, ordered items, return, fulfilled orders, delivery. There's just so much options, and it's so easy for you to see that whether you can run your business or not. And then we have products, which is by sell through rate and everything. And then you can see inventory, which would show you what items you have for now. And then customers, your customer list will automatically be here. You can import them or add them. And then your content will be over here, and then analytics will be over here. As you can see, they have total sales, sales by channel, online store sessions, all these things, basically giving you an oversight of everything that is available. And then if you head over to settings, as you can see, into payments, and then we click into choose a provider. Let's see, they have so many providers that you can choose from. And into WIX, if we click on payments, let's see how many they have in comparison with Shopify. So as you can see, if I click on manage payment methods, let it load real quickly. As you can see, they have only manual payments, which is all right. So they do not offer really that many payment options as much as Shopify. So Shopify really wins that one. And then let's head over to the online store to see how Shopify's online store is. As you can see, they have themes, blog post pages. So as you can tell already by now, Wix is a website builder. Shopify is designed completely for e-commerce builder, e-commerce brand. Now, if you are tight on budget and if you don't have one single penny to spend on and you're just looking for a website, Wix will be the winner here. But if you truly want to build that e-commerce brand, you have time, you are dedicated, and you want to really make sure that your analytics don't mess up, that you're very precise, and you want to see each and everything that is going on behind the scenes, then definitely Shopify is a winner. So if I was going to build an e-commerce for myself in 2024, I would choose Shopify. As you can see, it's a clear winner over here. So let us know in the comment section below which website would you choose and why, so that it helps other fellow people who are facing the same problem as you to choose the better website builder. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.